Mr. Cornwell, and I teach auto collision 1, 2, and 3. So level 1s, we go through pretty much estimating, damage appraisal. We touch on how to use a spray gun, and pretty much just practice those kind of things. We do plastic repair, plastic welding, and then towards later in the year we get into welding with a big welder. We learn on the virtual welder, then we go out and actually do the real welding, and then towards the end of the year I have a little project that kind of brings everything that we learned into one project.
I'm Josue. I've been in auto collision. This is my second year in auto collision. I wanted something to do with my hands physically, you know. I can't be that person who just sits down and doesn't do nothing. I'm intrigued in auto collision and auto tech, so I came here to auto collision to test everything out, and I liked the atmosphere that I was surrounded by, and I knew I had a car to work on, so I was like, all right, teach me some new things. Like, I have a skill that I can put out in the real world. I'm hands-on. I can present to them that I know how to work on cars, and I have 2 years of experience down in auto collision.